Okay, we're up on Rick's roof, and those mountains over there are actually volcanoes, and you say they're the live ones? That one on the right is the live one that we climbed last time. It's not erupting this morning. But as we spin around, that one was spewing out this morning. Driving 60 to 70 miles an hour, dodging potholes, and I asked Rick why we drive so fast on these roads, and he said it's because we don't want the bandits to stop us. So I asked Rick, I said, well, are all these people driving on this road afraid of that? And he said, yeah. I said, how often does it happen? He said, not all that often, but you still don't want to press your luck.
But it wasn't that long ago, this was all a dirt road.
Wow. You and I ought to do a reality show.
Yeah. Right.
I'll have to give Dramamine to the people watching this. Yeah. They're going to be throwing up.
One of those cases where you can't brake too hard or you're going to even go flying harder.
But the fact is, this is a much better road than the one we just came off of in Honduras because of all the potholes. considered a large city?
I'd say largest city in the country.
Really? So Guatemala's first and Xella's? Ah. Boy, for the second largest city, these streets are tiny.
Because he was built long ago.
When? So here I am at the last night at Isaiah's place in Xella, and we're walking toward the recording studio here. And I just passed the 2 guard dogs. Here is what the studio looks like inside now. There's our layout. PC and a Mac. Here's the entrance. And the rest of the equipment here. And here comes Isaiah into the room. Say hi to the movie team here.
How are you? Hello.
And there's the 2 guard dogs.
Oh, this is Chancho.
Hey, Chancho. Okay.